All right, 18, 19. 18 and 19. What are we going to do? So what's that first step? Mateus, since you're talking, what's that first step? Risa, help her out.
Give it.
Huh?
Forward.
No. Risa, help her out.
Given.
Given. Alright, given. Come on, it's always the first step. Almost always. The first step.
Then don't you have to distribute?
Distribute? I would like to, but what do I need to distribute?
I don't know, man.
If I need to, I would. Yes. So over here, that is true. But on this one, what am I going to do first? Plus 2. Why plus 2? Yeah, you're trying to get Z alone. The whole key is getting Z alone. Remember sad map back in...
Wait, that's a Z, not a 2?
Yes.
On top of the 3?
We talked about this. God, I really love you guys. You know, I have to. Or I would pull my hair out. I would be bald.
What hair?
I would freaking be bald.
What hair?
Hey,
You really pull your hair.
I have some hair.
Where? You have pull your hair?
The carpet's matched the drapes, okay? Alright, so I used to have a lot of hair in here.
Oh, you shaved your facial peels.
I remember, bro, you look like
Yeah,
Jack Sparrow.
Right? Alright, back to it. Plus 2. Plus 2. Why am I adding 2? Because I'm trying to get that Z alone. And it's sad math, subtraction addition first. Right? Subtraction addition first. So don't forget your sad math. Okay? Because we're going to be using it a lot. Anytime you solve, you use sad math. Subtraction addition first. So we added 2 to both sides. Z, that's a Z. Let's say it one more time so everybody knows, because I know someone's going to ask me. Is that a 2?
Hey, is that a 2?
Exactly. I knew it. Okay? So then, what is negative 10 plus 2? 8. Negative 8. Negative 8. Okay? So what is our second step? What is that second step? What did we do to get there? Yes, addition property of equality. Okay? There you go. Now we're clicking. What's next? Multiply by 3. Okay? What'd you do to one side? Okay, so Z is equal to what?
24.
Just 24? Negative 24. Okay? So what's our third step? Yes. Multiplication property of equality. That's it. That's it. This is chapter 2. This will be on your test. Okay? It'll be a little bit harder than this one. But this will be on your test. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Prove it. Mateus, what's the first step? You're going to get this one of these days. What's the first step?
You got it done, give, bro.
There it is. Find me. There's a guy. Okay?
He just left.
I'm gonna do the chicken dance if you get this next one right.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Right.
I will try.
Hey, I'll battle you.
Okay? I'll try to battle you with my best.
Distribution.
Oh, he did it. He's paying attention. Uh-oh. I'm gonna be dancing.
Hey, it's not my fault if you break your hip though.
Okay.
You throw your hip out.
It's gonna be your fault. I'm gonna blame you. Anyway. So, but you gotta tell me this is distribution, right?
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, we gotta go all the way down. You're gonna make me dance. It's gonna be for a reason.
You said only the next one.
Yeah, that's the whole next one.
Yeah, well, hold on.
No.
No, let me
Bust it out.
Oh.
Alright, next. What's next there, bro?
Now
You got it.
You're gonna add 3, I guess?
Yes. Yes.
And that would be plus properties or whatever it's called?
What property?
Addition properties of equality.
Nice. Eddie? What, you just want me to see me dance? Is that it?
He ain't say shit on here.
Okay. So that's 75, right? And that's addition property of equality. Okay, so what's the next one?
Now you're gonna have to fucking sideways.
Okay, but it'll hurt. Just letting you know.
That wasn't an invitation.
Oh,
Say sucky sideways.
Wait,
Go to sleep.
is that negative H?
And
Aren't you supposed to get rid of the negative?
how do you get rid of a negative?
oh, you
Negative
gotta make it a positive.
Yeah, how?
Plus 8. I don't know.
We almost had me dancing. What?
Divide by -1.
Yes, there's two ways to do it. I'll still dance, you know I will. Alright, so there's two ways to do it. Okay? One, you could divide by -1, or you could multiply by -1. It's really up to you. Okay? Because a negative times a negative is a right. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So either way works. But since he said divide, I'm going to go with it. Because there's more than one way to get to the store, right?
No.
So
Either by
remember
foot or by
that.
car,
As
that's
long
okay.
as your answer is correct,
How many options?
use your way to get there. Okay? But if you're going to divide, right? If you're going to divide, then you got to tell me, what did we do? What property? That's right. Good. So division, property of what?
Equality.
Yeah, must be nice.
I don't know.
Is this getting easy? Right? It is easy. Nice. Yeah, why? Because we did it already. Remember how frustrating it was, chapter 1? Now, please realize there's a reason why I do things early for you. I want to make it easier later. So when I tell you that in the future, will you trust me and just do it? Because
I'll try.
if you do it, I promise you it will get easy. Just like this. Okay? I promise you. There are some things I will do in the future that may seem, oh my goodness, he's crazy. But we're going to do it. Alright, now I think I can fit some more problems, so we might as well do it, right? 20. Well, how much time we got?
We got like 10 minutes.
Oh, plenty. Okay, 20. What's 20 say? Who's got 20?
Y plus 17 equals -19.
Okay, and what's 21 say?
1/2 in parentheses p minus 16 equals
What? E?
p.
B?
P.
P?
Yeah.
Sorry. P minus
16 equals 13.
13?
Yeah.
And it's like this, parentheses?
Yeah.
Okay. Are these
Oh, no, not the half.
not the half? Just like that?
Yeah.
Alright. Skylar,
Yes, ma'am.
let's see if you can do this.
Okay.
What's the first step?
Give it.
Good.
Okay.
Okay. Second step.
Minus 17.
Yes.
Monique's back here telling him shit.
9y is equal to what?
That's like 2.
Yeah, a lot of people will think too. But remember, if I need $19 to get into the show, and I need 17 more to get my friend into the show, then I need how much? Yes, I need 36. A lot. I need a lot. I need 40 bucks. That's what somebody should have said. You need 40 bucks. Just do it. That'll get you in. What? Okay. You need 2 20s. Okay. Now what? Divide by 9. But wait. We forgot something. What did we forget?
The steps.
Yeah, what is the step?
Subtraction of equality.
Perfect. Okay, somebody who hasn't done it. Who's having trouble? Skylar?
Yeah.
Little one.
Happened on the boat.
Divide by 9.
Skylar. Make,
I
All right.
got something.
come on, McLovin. Help me out.
Hey, you should call this guy McLovin.
Nah.
He hasn't earned that right yet.
Oh.
He's got to earn the right, like
Fuck that.
like
He looks
McMillan.
like McLovin. Like, just put glasses on.
Kind of does.
I'll get him that fake ID too.
All right, McLovin, help me out.
Oh my god.
Okay. What do we got?
Old enough to.
What are we gonna do? She said the answer, but you had your headphones in, so help me out. What do we do here? It's the opposite. Remember, it's the opposite. Yes, by what? 9. Good. Okay. And so that should leave me with -4. Good. I was thinking 6 for some reason. Thank you for correcting my brain.
No, it's nothing.
All right. So,
For real.
Skylar,
Yeah.
what's that called? The other Skylar, McMillan. What's that called? What's this called? When you do that? You want Skylar to help you?
I can
Skylar, no, you don't say anything.
How does that stop?
Skylar.
Yeah.
Help Skylar. What's that called? When we divide on both sides.
Skylar, stick together. How's
Division,
Skylar?
There it is. See? You guys can help each other if you try. If you get up there on these boards this week and you work with each other, you can help each other. You don't help by telling, you help by asking. If they don't know it, then you can tell them. Okay? But you always want to ask first. Okay? Alright. So, you said division, property of equality. Are we done? Yeah. Unless they wanted to know, like, what this was, but we already know. It should be -19. Right? So if they said prove it, you would substitute it back in and then prove it. Okay?
Whoa.
Alright. What's this? Skylar.
Yeah.
What do we do? What do we do first?
You gotta do the given. Right?
Yep. It's a given. Good. What's next?
So you gotta do the half times p minus 16.
The half times p.
Oh, times p.
Okay? What is that?
I really
1/2 p. Right? And then what's half of -16?
can't.
Close. -8. What's that called? What's it called? What's it called? Additive.
I had it too.
Okay. Skylar.
Distribution.
Distribution.
No, distribution.
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 I get so happy when I hear exhibition.
I had that.
Why? Because of power?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It's like, oh,
What's step 3?
I might go to San.
What's step 3? What should we do now? Carlos, help me out. Close. We're dealing with the -8, +8. Right. I knew it.
Yeah, it would.
No, it's not. It's this week.
No,
It's the
because
13th to the 15th.
no, it's not because the argument was
Are you
there.
still talking, Sancho?
We're arguing about power because it was last week, but he's saying it's this weekend.
San Manuel's this weekend.
It was last weekend.
All right, cool. Did you get it figured out?
It's at Spotlight 2090.
I know where it is. I'm not stupid.
Look it up, Sanchez. I bet you.
Okay, at least be happy I'm working. Do you see them right now, anything?
No, I'm happy that you're arguing. I'm letting you argue. All right, you figure it out?
Yeah, I'm right. She's wrong.
It was last weekend.
All right.
I'm with that
We'll
last
Google it. We'll prove it.
I'm done. That's my stuff.
Sancho, what's this? What's it called when we add to both sides?
I don't know.
Addition.
Addition.
Property.
Property of equality. Good.
Yes.
Addition, prostitution.
Okay. So what do we get? We get 1/2. Right? We get 1/2 p is equal to what?
Sometimes I like to talk on my job.
MTS. Shh.
Sorry.
It's gonna be just like my videos are gonna be just like last year with Dante. All right. I just said this yesterday, right, MTS?
Yeah.
Okay. Could we focus, please?
Are you filming?
Or we'll, set you up on some ADD meds or something. I don't know. I'm just saying. We gotta do something.
Alright.
Get you focused. Maybe some coffee or some sleeping pills. One or the other's gonna work.
Sleeping pills. Let me get those. No, shit. I'm good.
All right. So what?
I swear it was
13 plus 8. I am glad you're not sleeping in the class, but come on. 21. You finally could say 21 and it'd be right. All last year I heard 21 for the wrong answer. Finally, you could say it and be right. But no, you couldn't step there. All right, so what's the next property? What are we going to do for 4? Division? Okay. Divide by what? Perfect. All right. Now that's a hard division, though, right? Right? So, but that is totally legal. Dividing by a half. But when you divide by half, you actually multiply by 2. So it might be better or easier if you multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, Risa? But yeah, if I divide by half, I might get confused because what's 21 divided by half? Right? Right? 21 divided by half, what would you think it is? Right? Would you think 42 right away? Probably not, right? But if I multiply by 2,
I think that's 10.5.
if I multiply by 2, you got 10.5 because you divided by a half. Right? If you multiply by 2, what do you get? The answer to the universe.
20. 42.0.
All right. Sancha, you got this. What did we do? What's it called when you multiply to both sides?
the multiplication thing that you're talking.
Yes. The multiplication jigger-digger property of the equal quality thing.
I don't know what that meant.
I don't either, but it works.
Works.
Okay? We're getting there.
It's like a condom without.